Hey there, my name is Parker Wright. I'm a video editor and mix engineer, and I'm going to quickly show you how to install and operate a MOGRT or motion graphics template in Premiere Pro. Let's go. Alright, so first off, you want to open up a new project in Premiere Pro. Then go ahead and go to this tab in the top right called the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see this panel, you can go ahead and click on the Effects tab on the top and it will rearrange your project so that you'll be able to see this tab. So click on the Essential Graphics tab, and in the bottom right, you'll see this button that says Install Motion Graphics Template. Go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to go to your folder where your MOGRT file is, select the MOGRT that you want to install, click on it, and hit Open. This shouldn't show up for you. For me, it does just because it's already installed, so I'm going to hit Confirm Overwrite for now. Now, to find your motion graphics template, you just go ahead and type something that the name has in it. So in this case, it had Video Square, and there is our Video Squares template. Now, you won't be able to just drag this MOGRT straight into your session. What you need to do is create a new sequence. You can go to File, New, and then Sequence, or you can hit Control or Command N. That will create a new sequence. I recommend titling it just to stay organized, so I'm going to title this Video Square. No, we're going to title this MOGRT Test. Don't worry about the sizing or the frame rate or anything like that. Most MOGRTs have that already as part of what they are, so when you go ahead and drag this into your sequence, it will ask you, the clip does not match the sequence's settings. Change sequence settings to match the clip settings. Yes, we want to change sequence settings. It will make sure that the sequence matches what that MOGRT is. And then to edit the parameters of this MOGRT, you go ahead and just click on it, and then the Essential Graphics panel will switch over to Edit, and you can go ahead and use your motion graphics template to make those edits. So I hope this was helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe and click that bell icon down below. If you have any questions about how to do this, feel free to contact me at contact@parkerjwright.com. If you want to see how to use that specific MOGRT, you can check out this video right here, and you can download it at my shop at parkerjwright.com/shop. See you soon.